homeschooled?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know how to read?
Yeah.
Yeah? What grade would you be in?
Fifth.
5th grade? How old are you?
10.
You're 10?
No, 11.
You're 11? Okay. Well, do you care to write your name down for me and your birthday?
After securing the child, the deputy contacts his mother. She admits she left him alone to run errands, but says she's too busy to pick him up, instructing the deputy to leave him with his grandfather.
Who watches you at home?
My grandpa.
Your grandpa? Alright. Come on out here.
Got you a turkey? Is that a turkey? What's his name? You don't know? You got a bunch of chickens too, don't you? You got a big old rooster.
You know what kind of chicken that is? No? Where is Grandpa? Is he here?
We got your grandson here. He was all the way down there at that store down there in Mineral Block.
Yeah.
He's right here.
Where you going? You don't know?
Yeah.
Where's your mom?
I don't know.
We called Mom. Mom knew he was not at home and went to Ella J.
I was in LJ?
No, your mom is.
You home all by yourself?
Yeah.
Why were you down there?
I don't know. I went to the wrong place.
You're trying to go downtown, Blue Ridge, you said. We're just concerned about you, bud, okay? We're just
You're not in any kind of trouble, okay?
any trouble. We're worried about you. Like I said, I mentioned it before, we don't want you to be ran over. We don't want some crazy person to be picking you up, okay?
He was on a four-wheeler?
No, he's walking.
No, he was walking.
Yeah. As he, do you care if we walk around upstairs and look around? Is it okay for you?
No, no.
Can he take us up there?
I'm,
Can he take us up there?
he can't,
Okay.
yeah.
I just want to walk around the house, just look around if that's okay with you.
You're welcome to, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
The officers leave the child with his grandpa and come back later to arrest his mother.
Is that her?
Hey, Brittany.
Yeah.
I need you to come out here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there somebody else here with the kids besides your grandpa?
No. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Huh? No, there's nobody here but Pop.
Okay. Turn around for me,
Why?
because you're under arrest
For what?
for the incident we talked about earlier today.
What am I under arrest for?
For reckless endangerment.
And how was I recklessly endangering my
We're
child?
not talking about it.
Call mommy and tell them they're taking me to jail because you decided to walk down the street.
Let go of your hands.
That's not his fault.
Yeah, call mommy.
You're the mother. That's your responsibility to
Yeah,
keep
I
up with
need
your
you to
child.
not talk to me, please.
Okay. That's my
Okay,
truth.
give her a call. Okay.
I need
Last time I checked, it wasn't illegal for a kid to walk to the store. So
It is when they're 10 years old.
it is?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to see that on the books.
Okay. Well, you'll see it on your warrant.
Great.
Need somebody here to stay with the kids.
I don't have anybody.
Do you want to take this watch off? Or you want to take
Okay.
it with you?
Well, then I'm calling DFAX.
Come here.
315 Show one fee my 95.
Come here. No, I want you to call Marmy. Come here. Well, maybe she.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, come here. Let me talk to her. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes.
The police are here and they're taking me to jail. So I need you to come stay with the kids.
Kidding me.
No, I'm not kidding. It's ridiculous.
I'll be there in just about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Well,
Do you need to wait for my mom to get here?
we'll wait. Yeah, come on.
Okay. Can I tell my other two kids goodbye so they don't freak out?
Yeah, that's
Please.
where they at.
Please go get in and tell them to come tell me goodbye.
What?
Alright, so if you'll slide all the way to the edge of the seat, because the seat looks like it's under you.
After apprehending the suspect, the deputy speaks with the child's grandparents, who share more about his troubled behavior and the family's struggles to keep him under control.
I appreciate your help. Mom said she's on her way. She's
Okay.
about 30 minutes away. So I appreciate you, though.
He's gonna be in trouble when she gets here, probably.
Yeah, I hate that, but
Yeah.
He's
Well,
got
he shouldn't have been out there. He should, like I
yeah,
said,
it's dangerous for him. I mean, I understand kids. I roamed wherever as a kid, but
he knows better than that, though.
yeah,
Like I said, he's homeschooled.
yeah. Yeah, roaming around in your yard and in the woods around your house, all fine and well, but yeah, being out near the road, it's not safe. If he was to be hit by a car today,
Right.
or something, that falls back on her. She would be charged for that.
Yeah, because he's a minor.
Right, and
Yeah.
she knew he was missing and left him here. And so that's what this charge is similar to that. She knew he was missing, didn't report it to us, and he's out on a busy roadway,
Right.
and cars are flying past him.
So he was in the road?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm down here in the middle of the road.
Yes, ma'am.
And I don't know, we were, that's what we've been discussing today, was whether or not to send him out to live with his dad in Montana or not.
Gotcha.
Because he's just gotten
Yeah.
uncontrollable.
And
We
maybe
can't, besides locking him in his room, that'd be about the only way to keep him home.
maybe there's some kind of therapy or something like that.
She just spent $2,000 on therapy.
Gotcha. Okay.
And it didn't, he's still as belligerent
Yeah.
as he ever was.
And
The day before yesterday, I took him to the river with me. He did everything I asked him to do, helped me plant plants. I mean, he was
yeah.
great. And we just had the wedding, my other daughter's wedding. And he acted really nice. He was really good for the whole wedding. So
Yeah.
he'll go through, when he wants to do something, he'll do it. But he just thinks that he can make the rules.
Yeah. And so, and just to explain the difference, because I'll tell you, we are dealing with something similar with another juvenile in the county. The difference is,
Now he's a juvenile.
well, they're both juveniles, but the difference is the parents, they've built a fence around the house to try and keep him contained because he runs away. So they've built a fence around the house. I don't remember. He's young too. He's elementary school. They've had to put locks on the inside of their door that he can't reach to keep him, because that's their responsibility.
Okay, so we wouldn't be in trouble for doing that then?
No.
Making him stay home?
Right.
I know that I've raised 4 girls on my own in this house. Okay. But I never had any of them act like this at all. I mean, he also sad inside, and that's what we're trying to figure out, what is going on.
And I could see that talking to him today.
Yeah, he's very sad. He's in tears. I mean,
he was almost in tears when I found him. Said he hadn't ate, couldn't remember the last time he ate.
No, he won't eat either.
Yeah,
he eats junk food. He won't eat anything
and that's
good.
We offered to make him something, help him, get something to eat, and he just. So I just wanted to explain to you what the difference is, so you don't think that we're just. If we had been called and said, "Hey, I can't find my son,"
well, that would have happened when she got back.
Right, but that's a long time for a kid to be missing. She was gone for an hour before we knew.
Okay, so we're supposed to call even if they're out in the woods playing and we don't know where they're out at exactly, because this happens all the time. They ride motorcycles. I mean, there's 16 acres here. I own that cabin over there. So there's times, I mean, when you don't know exactly where they're at, but you know they're on the property. That's what it has always been with him. He would just pitch a fit and go out in the woods and sit and cool off, and then he'd come back. But for some reason today, he elected to go.
Yeah, he said he was trying to find his mom, and that she worked at a gas station in Blue Ridge.
That was just a lie. That was just a lie.
And then we came around that she was a realtor.
He lied to you.
I still don't know what she does for work. I'll be honest.
She's a realtor.
Okay.
Yeah, she works out of this office right here.
Gotcha. Yeah, I never really figured out, and no,
you don't know what's going on.
Right.
I understand that.
All I know is I have a child that's running around and a mom that's telling me I knew he was missing.
That you need to what?
I had a child that's running around in traffic and a mom that's telling me she knew he was missing.
From that point.
So at that point,
an arrest. I mean,
because it should have been reported to us.
Okay, well, she did report to you when you called her.
No, that's not how that works. That's not how that works. She didn't.
Okay, so we're supposed to always know. Okay, so yeah, so we're just, like you said, people got to put a fence up around their yard to keep their kids in, and if they don't, then it's their fault that the child is acting like an ass, which is what he's doing.
Okay.
I mean, that's crazy. Is she in the car, or is she?
No, she's already gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she could lose her way of making a living by being arrested. You do realize that?
Okay. That's not my concern. My concern is the children.
Yeah, the children are fine.
Okay.
The children have a good
also,
mother.
there's a DFACS referral, so they'll be coming out as well, okay?
That's fine.
Okay. I think that should be the best interest of everybody, is the children.
Brittany Patterson was arrested and charged with reckless conduct. A DFACS referral was filed for the safety of her children.